Introduction to Information Governance. Information governance, IG, has become an essential part of the success of an organization nowadays as it is related to the organization's reputation, legal compliance, and financial stability. From this course, you'll learn the necessary notion of information governance, its significance in the UK context, and the principles that support its practice and the practice of deploying it into the organization. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you should be able to define information governance, IG, and its significance in the context of the United Kingdom. Determine the guiding concepts for successful information governance. Assess best practices for adopting information governance in a company. Analyze the dangers and advantages of exchanging information in the context of IG. Develop a thorough information management plan for a company using IG principles. Information governance, IG, is an organization's set of rules, processes, and practices to manage its information assets, ensuring accuracy, safety, and accessibility. Organizations must comply with laws and regulations to protect personal data from loss, theft, or unauthorized access. The collaborative strategy helps to create rules and procedures, understand duties, and limit risks. Organizations can mitigate risks, defend their brand, and establish trust through information governance. Information governance is essential for legal compliance, preserving privacy, and maintaining an organization's reputation. It is critical for data management to guarantee accuracy, security, and compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Information governance can improve an organization's performance and competitive advantage by making informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date information. Enterprises must understand and use their data strategically to gain a competitive advantage and generate growth. Information governance is a set of principles that guide how information is created, managed, and shared. Accountability, transparency, integrity, availability, and confidentiality are essential for managing information effectively. Organizations must comply with legal and regulatory requirements for information governance. Organizations must ensure that personal data is collected, processed, and stored in a way that complies with these laws. Organizations should use best practices to implement information governance principles effectively. Organizations can improve information management, reduce data breaches, and comply with legal and regulatory requirements. IG requires a holistic approach to achieve objectives. Organizations should develop a clear information governance policy and implement a robust data classification and retention policy to ensure data is managed consistently. Organizations should implement effective data security measures to protect against cyber attacks. Organizations should regularly review and update policies, procedures, and technology to ensure compliance. Implementing effective information governance requires a systematic and comprehensive approach. Organizations can effectively manage and protect data to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. Information governance, IG, involves managing an organization's information assets with policies, procedures, and practices. Laws and regulations impacting IG in the UK include the Data Protection Act 2018 and the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Implementing good IG practices can reduce the risks of data breaches, protect reputation, and build trust with customers and stakeholders. The increase in data volume and complexity makes IG more important but also presents opportunities for innovation, product improvement, and informed decision-making. Understanding IG principles is crucial for efficient, secure, and compliant data management processes. Organizations should implement effective data security measures to protect against data breaches and cyber attacks. Best practices for IG involve conducting a comprehensive audit of existing data management practices, developing a clear IG policy, and establishing ongoing monitoring and evaluation procedures. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module. Hope it was a great learning experience for you.